Hello Sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. I've been buying a few things, some of which are Parkside, some of which are from somewhere else, and some of which are going to the winner of Shed Goat, which is on mine and Mark's from the Small Mortuary Adventures live stream, which is called Shed Space. But it's very hot at the minute, isn't it? In the UK, humidity up to 29, 30 degrees, stifling. And with the renovations that are going on in the house, it's a bit of a rest break, this is. So let's get on with it. Enough waffle, let me show you what I've got. So first thing, screw fix. I got this, which is a non-contact voltage detector pen. I've been after one of these for a while, actually. I should have got one a while ago. Made by TIS, and it's red LED illumination for voltage present, IP65, safe non-contact detection, voltage range 90 volt to 1000 volt, complete with batteries, easy battery compartments, frequency 50 hertz to 500 hertz, convenient pen size to fit in your pocket. I've already opened this and put the batteries in, actually, but yeah, I've been after one of these just for detecting cables and if they're alive or not. A real must, I think, this. There we go. Nice handy pen with a little clip on top to pop in your pocket or your wherever you want, really. So let me just show you it in action. I say I've already put the pencil batteries in there. I think the treble A's, 2 of which come with it. I'll put the price on the screen, so I can't remember what it was now. So we'll use this, which is my charger for my Aldi batteries, Active Energy. Let's plug it in. So it's plugged in currently, and there's no, I haven't turned the switch on yet, so nothing there. Turn the switch on at the wall. There we go, it just illuminates. So just touch it on the outside of the cable and just illuminates. So that's going to go in the toolbox. Quite pleased with that. Again, from Screwfix, a couple of smoke alarms, replaceable battery. They come with the 9 volt batteries, and 2 1-year batteries included. Here we go. I can do a test on it. 3-year warranty, made by Fire Angel. And yeah, a couple in a pack. I needed some of these. I've got some actually, but they're worse for wear. I think they need replacing. So a pair of these, and speak for themselves, really. Oh, get a mounting plate with it as well. And there's the battery, just needs connecting up. So I need to get these fitted today, actually. I was just going to buy a couple of batteries, but I'll put the price on the screen. And I didn't think it worked out too, but I think it was about $14.99. I'll put the price on the screen. One funny thing was, in fact, I didn't get these from, what am I saying? I didn't get these from Screwfix at all. I got them from Tool Station. It's a long story, but I went to Tool Station. I went to Screwfix first, which I normally go, first port of call. And I actually wanted a water mains key, one of the rods. I'll show you in a second. Went in there, and they didn't have the one I wanted in stock, which was about £15. So I said, what else have you got in? The only other one they had was around 30 something pounds. I thought, I'm not justified paying that. So he said he'd do me a bit of a discount, but I went next door, and I think there were about £12 at Tool Station. So yeah, that was from Tool Station as well. I'll get it right in a minute. Right, so yeah, got a pair of them as well. I'll put the price on the screen. So get them fitted today. Where's that fly? There's a fly hovering around.
Moments later.
Where's me badminton racket?
Moments later.
Get out.
Moments later.
Here I go.
Moments later.
Hiding. That's what I use for pesky flies, but I can't even find it. Look at this. Really old badminton racket. I've got a few of these, actually. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked. So while I was at Tool Station, I got this catalogue. Always handy to have. It's nice using it on the app, of course, on your phone, but also good to have one of these at standby just in case. Look at that, DeWalt. Mark from the Small Mortuary Adventures, are you seeing this? 18 volt XR brushless compact impact driver. Only $99.98, was $159, so saving 60 quid. Max torque, 190 Newton meters. Halo LED lights, charger. It's not bad, pretty good actually. Anyway, got that as well. And here is the universal, not the camera. There we go, here's the universal stop tap key. It's 1.1 meters long, I think it is. It's multi-purpose, so universal. So let's have a look. There we go. For turning off the water mains outside. And get the sharp edge there as well, just to get the cover up, to get your water mains. So you can just pop it in and lever it out. There we go, that's it, nicely painted in blue. I think that was £12 something. Some good weight to it, that's going to last forever. Just don't want to lose it. And Parkside, my favourite from Lidl. Now I must admit, these are for the first prize for Shed Goat, which I say me and Mark do on the Shed Space live stream. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out, by the way. We're into the last week this coming Thursday, so the winner will be announced. We ask 5 questions each week. We're up to the 5th week. There's a few people in line for winning, so as we promised, we'll put a bit of a selection of prizes together, and this is for the winner. So what have we got? I might open some of these as well. I'm sure the winner won't mind too much. Say these are being handed out, but no, I won't open that. It's pointless. So a selection of hooks and eyelets. Quite a good selection there. Nice little box. Sorted hooks and eyes. What we got there? I haven't got my glasses on. So 60 of 1 and a, is that 1/8? 50 of 1 and, I ain't got my glasses on, I can't read them. You have a read, but there you go. That's what you get in there. Oh, focus. I'm on the wrong setting on my phone, aren't I? There we go. You can see what you get. Okay, so that is going in the prize for the winner. Next, a selection of clamps, or in fact 2 clamps. And there's a 3-year warranty, even on clamps. Look at that, Parkside. 2-pack, maximum 13 kilos. Clamping capacity, I think that is. Size, clamping width and depth, 80mm by 69mm. I've got a few of these myself, really good. And they've got like a swivel head on them as well, so they can locate easier. You can get instructions. That'll be a fun read. Right, so that's them. Next, hex key set. Again from Parkside, 11-piece set with T-handle attachment for better torque. 5mm to 10mm in hinge plastic holder. That's quite a nice little neat thing. So you can take that handle from one hex key to the next, or Allen keys if you want to call it Allen keys. And then you've got the bit there for, what's it mean when it does that? So you can angle it to whatever position to get it in. There, we can see on there. So sizes 1.5mm, 2mm, 2.5mm, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, 9mm, 10mm. Great. There we go. So the lucky winner is going to get that as well. And also a Parkside double-sided organizer. Or double-sided, I think that's a great idea. Saves on waste on space. So open this up, just move that out of the way. There we go, little compartments, and obviously you can take these out, and if you want something longer, it can go in there or whatever, however you want to set it up. So double clip on top, locking clips, 2 either side, so same on that side, same on that side. To give you any more information. So it's 32 centimeters by 27 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Width, height, depth. Very nice. And finally, another clamp set, maximum 5 kilos, a 6-pack in this one. Again, 3 years guarantee, warranty. Plastic, and they still have the swivel ends on there as well. So for locating a lot easier. I won't open these up, it's pointless really, I think you get the idea. So these are on at Parkside at the moment, if you want to go and check them out. I'll try and put prices on the screen, just so you know. And yeah, so that is the full pack. So if you don't already come on Shed Space, it's a live stream that myself, Mark from the Small Workshop Adventures do every Thursday at 7 PM until 8 PM. Is there still a chance of winning, I wonder? I think there's 5 questions left. So yeah, if you get every question right, I think the top score at the moment is yeah. So there is a chance of winning. We've got 5 questions left. There's a few people who've got 4. So if you get every question right, then you could win this lot. So I'm not a sponsor, of course, for Parkside. Arnold Schwarzenegger does that. I don't know if you've seen the video. You ought to check it out. It's quite funny. Put in Lidl and Parkside and Arnold Schwarzenegger. Yeah. I wonder how much he's getting paid for doing that. Quite a bit. It looks like Parkside are going places. So anyway, That's for the prize giveaway. I've given you a bit of a rundown of my haul for this weekend. I just need to crack on and get on doing some work. But anyway, this has been a nice break speaking to you guys. Also, I'll show you a little hint of what the winner will also get. Ooh, that'll do. Core, it's hot in here. I need some aircon in this shed. So that's a bit of a rundown what I've bought. If you haven't already, come on to our live stream. We alternate it from Mark's channel and my channel. Thursday 7 p.m. UK time, and you might be in a chance for winning that. Even if you don't want to win that, just come along anyway. It's a good laugh. Me and Mark haven't got a clue what we're doing, but we enjoy doing it. And I think the people that do come on seem to enjoy it as well, so that's the main thing. We just waffle about sheds, tools, movies, beer, reminisce, hobbies, what we get up to at the weekend, what we're doing in the following week, what DIY projects we've got, where we're going on holiday, you name it. We just waffle about all sorts. And as we always say, you lead the conversation. Our wonderful subscribers who come on and watch every week repeatedly, you lot are fantastic. You really are. So, yeah, come along, see what it's all about. If you don't like it, just don't come again. And we might get the technical issues sorted out this week. We had all sorts of problems last week, but it all adds to part of the fun. And yeah, it's a laugh if nothing else. If you've got nothing better to do on a Thursday night, then come along and see us. That fly's here again. Right, I'm going. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.